from Bulletproof Dog Training in Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm Jerome. Today I'm introducing my newest 15-day board and train. This crazy board right here is Chief. Chief, say hi. Hi. So Chief is about a year old and he comes to me with typical puppy behavior problems. A lot of pulling around on the leash, super excitable, loves to counter surf and nip at hands when he's super excited. So over the next 15 days I'm going to get him squared away so he's not counter surfing, he's not nipping at the hands, and he's just listening and very obedient. As always, I'm going to go down a list of commands that we do here and see what Chief knows and doesn't know, and then we'll take it from there. Alrighty, Chief, can you come? Can you come? Hi! Oh, hello. Oh, you're gonna fight on the leash. Chief, can you sit? Do you know sit? You know sit? Oh, and there's the jumping. Okay, so maybe you know sit. He knows you on the leash. Come down. Chief, in place, in place. Can you sit on it? In place? No. Alright, looks like I got something to work with here. What about the Chief? Miguel? 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 There's a bully right there. Good boy. Alright, what about this one? Chief, can you hide down? You know down? No, you don't go hide every now. So as you can see, I got a bit of work cut out for me, but that's perfectly fine. Over the next 15 days, Chief will be able to do all those commands. Oh, okay, no biting on my hand, sir. You can follow Chief's progress as well as all the other dogs you train here at Bulletproof on all our social media. Thank you.